Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be opening this Squishy Bunnii limited Easter edition. So let's open it and let's go! How do you open this? I don't know what I'm doing. The stickers. Let's put these all around here. Except for this one. We're gonna put these all on there. Then we're gonna put these there. What should we start with? I would say we should start with this one since it's like unicorny and stuff. I think I need help. Oh my god. It's like very cloudy. Whoa, guys. Whoa. Whoa, it's cool. Let's add some of this. And oh my god. I spilt. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty good. Now we're gonna try this slime, guys. Oh my god, it's very cool. Oh, it's slimy, it's slimy. It smells good. But why is it so slimy? Put it on, put it on, put it on. Put it on. Easter egg. Go out, you Easter eggs. Whoa, guys, not just that. Whoa. Oh my god, it's time. Febreze. No, we don't mix it up. Where is it? We don't mix it up until you put this in it. It's very good. You can add like 1 drop or 2. Now just mix it up. It's not that sticky anymore. Look, not sticky. Oop. Get out, you push. Oh my god. That's a little. Oh wow, so pretty. Now getting on my dress. It feels good. Okay, where's the cap for that? It feels good. We have to add some of this. Soon I'm going to be turning 8, so please stay tuned. Whoa, guys, whoa. We need some more. I want it to be very stretchy. Oh. It's like very packed. I can't even fit this. Close. Now for the last ones. Oh my god. Oh my god. Help me. Help me. There's a lot in the cap. So much. I need a fork. Super gooey. I'm gonna play with this all day. It's good. Then I'm gonna add this. Then we're gonna. How? I have to add all of this. Guys, it's smooth. Okay, how do I get this all out? I'm trying to get it. It's on my shirt. Okay, this is starting to get messy. Now I got to do this. Wait. How do you open this? Wait, did I use all of this? Okay, it's good. It feels foamy. I didn't Okay, no. Make a hole. Put it up. Stop the hole. It's oily. Clean it up. Now I need carrot cake. Whoa, guys, not just that. It's actually a whoa. Wait, what's that? Okay, guys. Whoa. Whoa. What is this? Can you open this? Open, please. Open. Open. Can you open it? Hard to open. And I think that's all. We also have the little peep here. Hello. How do I open this? I need to open this for this. Oh. We have some visitors. It's Squishy Bunny. Open. Open. Carrot cake. It's very good. Not that sticky. It's good. But this was the icing. I just need help. Can you help me? Please. Okay, the icing is finished. You can take it out. Oh my god. Mixing a lot of slime. Get in there. Very messy. Guys, it's so good. It's gonna make it light. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this. Then the video will end soon. So bye guys. I'll see you later in my next video. This is very good. Okay, I need a bigger bag. stick it up here. Get out. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Instead of that bag, I'm going to use this bag. It's more bigger and easier to use. Here, it's okay. Bye guys. See you in my next video. Mwah. We have got squishy bunny.